So here's how to get promo code on Temu. Click on my link down in the description to get your free $100 coupon bundle. And use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So once you're in the Temu website, scroll through the page and go through their discounts and offers that they have. Now scroll down further to get to the product section. Here, select any item that you want. I will go with this speaker handle right here. After that, from the available options, select whichever variant that you want, and then click on Find Similar. After that, select the same product for a better price. Now, go ahead and select your variant and click on Add to Cart. After that, go to Cart. Now, go ahead and click on Checkout. To reach the minimum order amount, add additional items or item, and the same way, add it to your cart. After you're done, let's continue to checkout. So here under Order Summary, type in the code ACR697477 and click on Apply, and you will get an additional 30% discount. Then just click on Submit Order.